Greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall understand how to activate multiple currencies and set up its exchange rate in Axanta ERP. To activate any new currencies, click on the menu, go to the Accounting module. Under Configurations, you will find Currencies. So here, these are all the currencies, which is by default created by the system. Now let's say you want to activate this euro currency. So you need to just enable this active option and the currency will be activated. Now, once the currency is activated, we shall see how to set up the exchange rate. Let's click here. So in order to add the exchange rate, we need to click on Add a line. Then here, we need to select the exchange rate date. Then in this Unit per KWD column, you need to enter the exchange rate against the base currency of the system. So for this demo, the base currency of the system is KWD. So, let's say 1 KWD is equal to 2.7 euro. Then you should enter 2.7 here. And if you will see, in the KWD per unit column, the system automatically calculated and converted the value in base currency. In simple terms, this column shows how much 1 unit of the foreign currency is worth in KWD, without requiring any manual calculation. So likewise, you can add exchange rates lines accordingly. And now, we shall click on Save. And if you will see here, the system will show you the last update date and the current exchange rate. So this is how you can activate currencies and set up exchange rates in Axanta ERP.